How to fix Bluetooth mouse disconnecting automatic at frequent level in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To fix these issues, simply go to the start menu of your Windows 11 system, right click on it and choose the option shutdown or sign out and choose restart option. Sometimes simple restart can resolve the big issues. The second option is go to Windows search, type device manager and open device manager in Windows 11 and Windows 10. From the left pane, go to the mice and other pointing device section, click on it, expand it and right click on your mouse and choose update driver. Then choose search automatically driver and Windows will install your latest mouse driver for your system. If your problem exists, then go to the start button, right click on it and choose device manager. Go to the Bluetooth sections, click on it and right click on your Bluetooth mouse and choose properties. From the top menu bar, choose power management and uncheck the box against the option allow the computer to turn off this device. The next option is go to Windows settings. From the left pane, choose the option Windows Update. Thereafter go to right side and click on the option check for updates, and if any updates available, kindly download and install it to fix your mouse related issue. That's all.